Hi, I'm Matthew, and welcome to Insurance Q&A. If insurance ever felt confusing, overwhelming, or full of fine print, you're not alone, and you're in the right place. Here, we answer real insurance questions that real people ask every day about health, auto, home, life, and business insurance. Each video is short, clear, and straight to the point. No sales pitches, no jargon, just the facts explained in plain English. If you live in the US or Canada and you want to make smart, confident decisions about your insurance, this channel is made for you. You'll learn how to understand your coverage, avoid costly mistakes, and get the protection you actually need without overpaying. So, if you've ever asked, "Do I really need this? What does this policy cover?" Or, "How do I save money on insurance?" Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's make insurance simple, one question at a time. Thanks for being here, and welcome to Insurance Q&A.